Hey, listen, AI will 100% make you super rich in the stock market. Investing in AI companies will quadruple your wealth in the stock market. It is the future and we cannot deny it. But check it. What I want to do for you today is, I know just investing in quantum stocks and things, they are super risky for a lot of investors. So what I want to do today is, I want to take the opportunity to show you a way that's not risky, but you can still get a lot of returns and you can still be a part of the revolution that we cannot deny. AI is not a bubble, and I promise you, when I show you this, you are going to be mind blown. I promise you. So listen. Before we get started, I want you to like, I want you to subscribe, and then I want you to tell us in the chat how you like this video after you watched it, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper, and today we gonna trap AI. Let's go, man. All right, man, so today what we wanna do is, we know there's the quantum computing, we know there's AI data, we just, there's so much going on with AI. We cannot, avoid it. It's everywhere, right? And because we know we in that space, another thing we understand is we understand that more companies are gonna come along, right? And what I don't want you to do as an investor is try to be jumping on all these hot stocks, trying to ride the wave. I don't want you to do that. My goal is to help you make money and consistently grow your account, but also not take as much risk as everybody else. So today, I'm gonna show you an amazing ETF that you could get into. All right, but first let's break down what it consists of. Now, this ETF consists of 85 companies. So this ETF consists of 85 companies, right? 60 of those companies are directly involved in AI, meaning 60 out of the 85 companies are directly involved in it, meaning, they hands-on, they're not a byproduct, they're not helping nobody, they are hands-on. AI, one way or another, comes through them. That is big. Watch this. 25 of those companies are leading hardware and quantum computing companies, meaning without them, the AI don't even exist. They are the hardware. They are the reason why it can think, do what it needs to do. That's them. And it's the quantum computer. Now watch this. Other companies also, what I got is, they are AI development. They deal with AI implementation. So it's a difference from AI development. So the AI development part of it is, it's giving the AI, it's structuring the AI, it's helping develop, come up with the concepts of it, right? So you have an idea, it's just a concept. But then it comes to the implementation, meaning this company helps the AI do the thing that the person who developed wants it to do, right? And then there's the hardware provider. So the hardware provider becomes the brain. And then then we have the AI-powered, the data analytics. So the thing about AI is the data and the analytics what helps it keeps improving. And that's why your quantum computing and stuff in the hardware are gonna come in at. So this thing has 85 companies and is dealing with the leading things that AI needs to exist. I'm telling y'all, y'all gonna like this. Y'all gonna like this. All right, so let's get into it. So what is the name of the ETF? Give me a second, I got you. So here's what I also want you to know. Of this, I want to break down the holdings inside of the ETF, right? So 4.5% of the ETF is Tesla. We're not mad at that. You know why? Because we just see what Tesla is doing. From robots, the cars next level. We understand what Elon got going on, for sure. Watch this. 3.8% of it is Broadcom. Listen, Broadcom is the next biggest player in the game after NVIDIA. 100%. ServiceNow. If you don't know who Bill McDermott is in ServiceNow, you need to get on it. They are 100% part of that hardware. Come on now. Netflix. Now, this was a surprise when I saw that Netflix was in there, because I don't think of them as an AI company. I think of them as streaming. I think about it in ways and situations like that, right? But they got in there. Cisco. Listen, this company has truly been fighting for its life. It's been fighting for its life, but it's been standing strong. Like IBM fell off. IBM is actually in this as well, but Cisco has been fighting for its life. Watch this. Amazon equals 3.3%. So you got Tesla at 4.5, Broadcom at 3.8, ServiceNow at 3.7, Netflix at 3.6, Cisco at 3.5, Amazon at 3.3. Not bad. Then you got NVIDIA. I know y'all was waiting for it. What trap? Where's NVIDIA at? NVIDIA makes up 3.1%. And I'm going to tell you why I'm not mad at that. Because now what happens is most of the AI stocks and most of the things that they are so heavy in NVIDIA, it moves the actual fund. Well, this one, it won't move it. The Tesla, the AVGO will. So you know one thing, if you in this fund, you know for a fact Tesla and AVGO gonna be the big movers. And then look, they got Oracle in at 3%, and then they have Meta in at 3.5%. I like that. So that makes up 51%. Oh, and Google is at 3%. But what did you know was missing? Apple wasn't in the top 10, right? Apple is 2.9%. Apple didn't make the top 10. I'm telling you, I'm a person that believes that an Apple stock a day will keep the poverty away. But I'm telling you that Apple Intelligence did not do and is not doing what they think how it's going to impact the game. They got some new people in town, right? Now watch this. On the smaller side of it, guess who else you didn't realize was in there? Amazon. Qualcomm. This under 2%. I mean, this under the 2.9%. So you have 18 more companies that's under the 3% mark. And it gets smaller and smaller. But some of these companies are really, really solid. Like one of my favorites, Cadence Designs, a banger. FTNC Fort, a banger. Datadog, don't sleep on it. Don't sleep on it. Micron at MU, I'm okay with that. Qualcomm, I'm okay with that. But these are sleepers that you can really look at. FTNT, Cadence Designs, you can listen. Don't sleep on those ones right there. And so these make up the other 18 companies. They make up 49%, right? So you see when you in this ETF, when you inside of this ETF, which I'm about to give y'all, this is what's going to move this ETF. Now, I'm going to be real with you. You looking at, okay, let me give you a cheat code right quick. If you wanted to build a portfolio that was solely, you know what? I might build it on my show, Trapping Tuesday. I might build a portfolio. I might call this one the AI Index. The Traps AI Index. Traps AI Index. Let's go, baby. But if you wanted to build a portfolio out of from 3 to 6 stocks, I would go get 2 of them off here for sure. For sure. Anyway, but that's it. But the ticker symbol is AIQ. It's the Artificial Intelligence ETF, man. I'm telling you, keep your eyes on this one. This is going to be one of them ones. As this thing go, as this thing move, this is a great way for you to play the game with AI without taking all the risks of having one of those individuals. Definitely a good one for you, man. Listen, it's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Listen, I hope I bring you a lot of value in this video. I hope I expose you to something that you didn't really know about. Right? Tell us in the chat how you feel about this. Tell us how we can help you a little bit more. We definitely going to go through those questions and answer so we can really see it. Make sure you come check us out each and every Tuesday on the Wall Street Looks Like Us Now channel. Our show is called Trapping Tuesday. And remember, last but not least, that's not me in the chat telling you about Bitcoin. I don't have nothing against Bitcoin. Right? But it's not me telling you I'm going to send you this to WhatsApp. It's not me trying to do any of that, so don't fall for it. I got one Instagram page. It's called Wall Street Trap. We have about 1.5, 1.6 million followers. This is my page right here. Be on the lookout for the Freedom Center, man. It's your boy, the Wall Street Trapper. Salute.